Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass Limited 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2505P. 19,000 miles, and this Compass comes to us with a clean auto check history report in Jazz Blue in color. To be certified pre-owned, vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, seats 5, leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items, backup camera for additional safety, lots of cargo space in the rear, and very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, powered driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, dual zone automatic temperature control with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices, 4-wheel drive, a 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, storage in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 25% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified pre-owned warranty, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.